Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. In the case of a singular feminine noun, the definite article which is added at the end of the word is a. For example, carte, carte, book becomes cartea, cartea, the book. We added a to carte, and thus we have cartea, cartea. Copilul a pus cartea cu copertă roșie în ghiozdan. Copilul a pus cartea cu copertă roșie în ghiozdan. The child put the book with the red cover in the school bag. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.